Never, dog. Who can bring the city out like this, dog? Who can bring the city out like this? Shit amazing, man. Shit a blessing, you hear me? Shit a real blessing.
It's his car. They DM this bitch, he don't even know.
Hey, cuz, you know this your shit on. This your shit, fuck you, tell me out.
Roll the gas up.
Look at him, look at him.
Roll the gas up. Look at he smile. That nigga smile.
This your shit, man. This your motherfucking shit, garbage ass nigga. You just said your motor went out of your shit, so I had to bless you, man. Fuck you, tell me out. Yes, sir. Uh-huh. Out here selling dope. If you out here destroying the motherfucking world, letting niggas know that they gotta rob and they gotta steal to get this shit, or they gotta go, man, kill a nigga for this shit, they don't. Cause I ain't do none of this shit. And now I'm riding lamb. Now I can drop the top on my Camaro. Now I can take the doors off my Jeep, you know what I'm saying? It's just...